Hey guys, my name is Dimitri and this is a new arrival at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Look at this beautiful 2019 Nissan Sentra. This one is a SL model, and this one, guys, have only 29,000 miles, and it's in excellent condition, fully loaded. I think it's the two previous owners only. Again, very low miles. Gas saver, and it's in excellent condition. It's got fog lights and xenon lights, nice rims all around, nice tires. This is Continental, pretty decent tread. Again, body is in great condition. I don't see anything burning, beautiful, nice paint. And again, this one is fully loaded, power windows, power locks, power seats, leather interior. It's got sunroof, heated seats. This is a passenger seat. Again, 29,000 miles, so very low. No lights on. It's got the touch screen here. It's got the backup camera. Everything is in working condition. Climate control. It's got 2 keys, Bluetooth, cruise control, all those nice features. Pre-collision assist, blind spots. Pretty much new condition, guys. Looking good. There is some outlet over there. Headliner is clean. Mid-size sedan. All our cars coming with a fresh oil change. Make sure everything is in good order. Brakes, suspension, newer battery. Again, gas saver. It listed for good price. So if you're looking for a low miles, reliable vehicle, this is it. Check us out at carcitychicago.com. And if you guys have any questions, our sales team will be happy to assist you. 847-496-4250. We have a lot of cars in stock. So tax season is coming, guys. So don't be late. These cars are gonna sell fast. So 847-496-4250, and you can get quality used vehicle at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Thank you for watching this video, and as usual, have a great day, guys.